Apocalypse.
Hello, welcome guys. Hope you will be all fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is video number 8. In this video, we will talk about work breakdown structure, that is WBS. So, let's start with WBS. So, if you think one of the first steps in planning a project is to break down all the project into major deliverables, that is that major product or services components. Like if you have created the WPS, you can create the activities required to achieve those deliverables. So unlike some scheduling software programs that somewhat of a bottom-up approach, Primavera P6 encourages you to create a work breakdown structure at the beginning of the project. So this is generally known as the top-down approach. Primavera P6 recognizes this importance of the project management team keeping their eye on the ball throughout the project life cycle. This already means that I maintain a focus on the end of the product or services, which is the whole purpose of the project. So WBS helps you to maintain this focus on the product or services. At its heart of the WBS is a deliverable oriented. So project controller break down into smaller components so that WBS focuses on the deliverables, and it's simply a breakdown of all the components making up a product or services in hierarchical fashion. So Primavera P6, you have to create a WPS first so that you can add activity into that. So the schedule flows from the WPS to top down method. So overall WPS, we can call it as a hierarchical alignment of the products or services produced by during a project. The project is the highest level, which an individual activity is the lowest level. So you have to understand this WBS because it is so much important while creating any project. So each project in the EPS has its own OBS, WBS. You have to create this WBS also. So to create a WBS code and description as given below, that is here. It is we have some WBS, like this is a project for photo transfer form. So general, milestone, preliminary, detail, engineering, design, engineering, deliverables, procurement, then construction, then commissioning. There are a lot of sub WBS are also there, like area wise, file north, file main, file site, like that. So these are the WBS of a particular project. So once we create the WBS in the view in the table, Gantt chart view and chart view format. So activate WBS in the notebook items to create the information log. Okay, so let's see how we will do in Primavera P6. We will open this Primavera, a new project, like project name we can call it as EPIC of module number 1 in cooker plant, right? So you can plan start it. So here we got EPIC of cooker plant module 1. So you can open it. So to start any project, we have to add some WBS important. So we click this WBS icon and we'll make preliminaries. Okay, then second, what will be WBS? Procurement. then we will add another here, procurement, then construction. We'll create another one before that, that is engineering. Then we will add another one, it is close out. So in preliminary, now these 4 WBS already made. So in this is the level 1. Now you have to create WBS into WBS, then you have to create another one, like in construction also. Suppose you have 4 areas, like east of module 1, 2 area of module number 1, and second also 3, 4 area of the 3, 4 area of module number 1. Okay, now you go to activities again, and now you can see here these are the WPS we have. There you go, we have preliminaries. In preliminaries you can add start of the project, it is milestone, we'll start milestone. Okay, then completion of overall project, and we'll add another activity, let finish milestone. Okay, there we will create as finish milestone. Okay, and we can add in engineering preliminary drawings, data sheets, and specs, approval like that. You can add in procurement and construction, and then close out. This way you will have to arrange the WPS, so you can easily manage the project. Hope this video you will like, so subscribe my channel and hit like. If you want more videos, if any suggestion, kindly comment in the box, I will reply you, and kindly suggest me what another video I will make for you. I am going to make videos on how to make it, to add activities, how to rearrange it, and how to make a good project out of it. Thank you very much.